Have you ever tried this quick, easy, hearty, affordable weeknight dinner that uses pantry staples? Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. We will use the sausage, cabbage, the carrots, an onion, the salt, and the black pepper. The following are optional: the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the garlic cloves, the mushrooms, plain herbs or mixed herbs, the garlic powder, the smoked paprika or normal paprika, origanum, and others you'd like to add. I will leave a list of ingredients in the description box below to help make it easy for you to prepare this meal. If you've never subscribed or if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free to subscribe. You may chop the main ingredients into any size you prefer. This meal can be customized with ingredients you already have on hand, such as bacon or other types of sausages. Heat the skillet until it's piping hot and add the oil. Brown the sausages. In the comments below, please let me know what other affordable meals that you would like us to try. Add all your chopped vegetables except the cabbage. We will add it at the end to make sure that it remains crunchy though cooked. My skillet was too hot. I had to stir before adding the seasoning. Otherwise, my ingredients were going to burn. Add all your seasonings and stir. You can do without other ingredients. Remember, we cook with what we have. Stir to blend all the flavors. A single batch of this meal can feed multiple people, often making it a very cost-effective meal per serving. Once all your ingredients are cooked, not overcooked, add the cabbage and stir. My aunt, who taught me how to cook, usually said, do not overcook your cabbage, otherwise you are killing the nutrients. Taste your food and make seasoning adjustments if necessary. Please press the like button to add value to this video. I hope you enjoy this meal. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.